SIL, a supervision system for glassmakers, is everywhere in the plant. The mold shop is no exception. SIL X Mold stands for Measurements on Molds, Optimized Costs, Lifespan of every mold, and digitization of your data for the best possible management of your molds as both units and series. With real-time information displays, mold tracking, and streamlined communications between different parts of the plant, SIL stations provide a vital link between production lines and the mold shop. Higher reactivity and increased profitability. When a defect is detected at the cold end, hot end operators are notified immediately so they can react as quickly as possible. The defective mold is dismounted and sent to the mold shop for repair. For a more effective approach to repairs, operators can view a mold's identity card on SIL X Mold, containing such information as hours of use, gob cuts as a function of potential, and cause of dismount. They can also view its repair history. This full traceability is an invaluable asset for fast and effective repairs. SIL X Mold logs all data gathered from mold controls during repairs and preventative checks. The system can also connect to dimensional check machines, such as scales and calipers, to collect data automatically and can restore data at any time. On dashboards, operators and managers can view the status of each mold at a glance. Mounted, available, in repair, awaiting expertise, or scrapped. Once a mold has been repaired and a comment has been logged as to the nature of the repair, the operator can switch its status back to available. Thanks to SIL X Mold, you can locate a mold, verify its characteristics, status, and the repairs it has undergone. Operators can see each mold's approximate remaining potential, allowing them to mount lesser used molds in a series as a matter of priority. SIL X Mold features a manager interface accessible through SIL X Manager. All information pertaining to your molds can be viewed and analyzed. For instance, the estimated potential of each mold can be compared to the number of gob cuts, while also taking into account price of purchase and mold status. Such assessments are crucial for making the best possible decisions for your orders. Optimal mold management is fundamental for both operators and managers. Having molds available on time to be mounted on IS machines and the equal use of the molds in a series strongly contribute to a plant's productivity. Supervise well beyond your production lines. With SIL X Mold, gain full traceability of every mold.